This video will walk through how to consolidate multiple loads onto one carrier. The first step after entering the load is to complete the expense allocation. This is to ensure that the project is assigned by the load, not by the overall carrier that will be hauling it. We will build different projects on this. Submit. Now that it's assigned customer rate, it's ready to be consolidated. So we'll complete the expense allocation on the second load. This will be a different project number. Now that both loads have assigned customer rate as the next activity, they can be consolidated. To consolidate, click on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, drop down from Routes Loads, and select Load Builder. Because we're combining two loads onto a single load with one carrier, we're going to want to utilize our Loads tab. To select all the loads to consolidate, click on the Select All checkbox. Otherwise, you can select them one at a time. Once you're done with selecting the loads, you're going to click the highlighted loads and, keeping your mouse clicked down, drag them to New Load. Once you get a green check mark next to the two selected loads, you can release your mouse. This will list all the pickups and the drops. To rearrange, you can drag and drop the load. We will have a round trip with a pickup at Alvin, drop in St. Louis, pickup in St. Louis, drop in Alvin. Once your order of pickups and drops is finalized, click Create. This will create a new load, combining both of the single loads onto one. Once you get a success notification, click OK and go back to your Routes Loads board by clicking Routes Loads at the top of the screen. You can validate that it's a full round trip by looking at the origin and destination information, as well as the stops. The arrow pointing up is a pickup, the arrow pointing down is a drop. So we have a pickup, a drop, a pickup, and then a drop. That is how you consolidate multiple loads onto a single load for a single carrier.